Hello all, I am Sonali Mutsudi and my topic is Advertising Standards Council of India. ASCI is a voluntary self-regulation council registered as a not-for-profit company under Section 25 of the Indian Companies Act. It was established in the year 1985 and is a non-government body. The aim of ASCI is to maintain and enhance the public confidence in advertising. Their mandate is that all advertising material must be truthful, legal, and honest, decent and not objectify women, safe for consumer, especially children, and last but not the least, fair to their competitors. ASCI's team consists of Board of Governors, the Consumer Complaint Council, and its Secretariat. It has 16 members in the Board of Governors, including 4 each representing the key sectors such as advertisers, advertising agencies, media, and allied professions such as market research and consulting. Consumer Complaint Council has 21 members, 9 from within the advertising industries and 12 from the civil society, like the well-known doctors, lawyers, journalists, academicians, consumer activists, etc. ASCI also has its own independent secretariat of 5 members, which is headed by the Secretary General. The sponsors of ASCI are also its principal members. They are firms of considerable repute within industry in India and comprises of advertisers, media including both broadcasting and press, advertising agencies and other professional services connected with advertising practice. When an advertiser is creating an ad, the consumer is his audience. The feedback from a consumer is important to the advertisers so he can assure if his message has been correctly conveyed. If a consumer feels that a particular advertisement is in bad taste or is false in its claims, they need a body, a council, to whom they can air their grievances and who will take any appropriate action if necessary. ASCI is a self-regulatory body governing advertising content in the ideal medium, as its purpose is to serve both the advertiser as well as the consumers. Advertising Standard Council of India ensures that advertising follows 4 basic codes. First, honesty in advertising. Does a product actually delivers the claim that's being made? Advertisements should not be misleading and plagiarized. Number 2, decency in advertising. Is it within the bounds of generally accepted standards of public decency and propriety? Third, responsibility in advertising. Not use discriminately for the promotion of product hazardous or harmful to society or to individuals, particularly minors, to a degree unacceptable to the society at large. And fourth is fairness in advertising. Ensure that advertisements observe fair in competition so that the consumers need to be informed on choices in the marketplace and the canons of generally accepted competitive behavior in business are both served. Thus, as creator of any ad, one should be in familiarity with these codes to avoid any sort of violation. ASCI is also responsible to codify, adopt, and from time to time modify the Code of Advertising Practices in India and implement, administer, promote, and publicize such a code. To promote, maintain, and uphold fair, sound, ethical, and healthy principles and practices of advertising. To promote better understanding of benefits of fair, sound and ethical advertising amongst the practitioners of advertising and in society at large. To represent, protect, inform and guide members of the company on matters related to advertising. To foster and promote cooperation amongst persons or companies engaged or involved in advertising. The process of filing a complaint. There is no other non-government body in India which regulates the advertising content that is being released. If an ad that is released in India seems objectionable, a person can write to ASCI with their complaint. This complaint will be deliberated by the CCC after providing due process to advertisers to defend the ad against the complaint, and depending on whether that ad is in alignment with the ASCII code and law of the land. The complaint is upheld or not, and if upheld, then the ad is voluntarily either withdrawn or modified. The CCC shall be entitled to receive complaints from the Board of Governors, the consumers, the general public, and the members of the company. The decision of the CCC on the complaint against any ad is final and is to be taken within a period of 4 to 6 weeks.